Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you the easiest method to log into your Lulu publishing account, so you can get started quickly and hassle-free. Welcome to our channel. Logging into your Lulu publishing account is a straightforward process, but having a clear step-by-step guide can really simplify it. Let's walk through it together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Lulu publishing website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, which is usually located the top right corner. Click on the login button, and you will be directed to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your registered email address and password. Make sure the email you use is the one you signed up with. If you don't remember your password, Lulu provides an option to reset it. Simply click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to receive a password reset email. Check your inbox and click the link provided to create a new password after you've entered your email and password correctly. Click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be able to manage your publishing projects, check your status, and update your account details if needed. For security reasons, if you are using a public or shared device, be sure to log out when you have finished your session. This will protect your personal information and publishing work. Now that you know the easy steps to log in, don't hesitate to explore all the amazing features Lulu offers for authors and publishers. Keep your login information safe and enjoy a smooth publishing experience.